Hello, dance educators. My name is Heather Wilson, and I am the founder and creator of Baa Baa Ballet. I wanted to create a program where my kids would start with the basis of what they would need to be the next generation of dancers in my company. These preschool students were going to be our next sugar plum. This program is a complete toolkit for pre-K dance that you can just plug into your current curriculum. I wanted this curriculum to be very efficient and user-friendly for you. Log on to the program, push print, there's your coloring pages, push print, there's the cheat sheet for your class, and push play on a very short video that just gave it right to you. And we all know that you cannot show up at a preschool class without a lesson plan, or that 45-minute class is going to last for 4 hours. So I wanted the lesson plans to be where you could print, watch, and go.
Once you enroll in Baa Baa Ballet, you will arrive at your course player. Your course player has all your media organized and accessible. This is where you'll access the month's themed lessons, your print and go lesson PDFs, your lesson videos, prop suggestions and links, themed coloring pages, tips and tricks videos, and warm-up and exercise videos. Open a lesson PDF to find your print and go cheat sheet with the props, steps and concepts introduced, and choreography simply and efficiently laid out so that you can take a quick glance and go teach. Click a lesson video to learn the choreography for the nursery rhyme lesson with clear instruction by Heather and footage of students in class. Open a prop suggestion PDF to find exactly what prop is suggested, what it looks like, and precisely where to find it. Click a tips and tricks video to find priceless advice and information on keeping your class in order and students fully entertained. Open a warm-up and exercise video where you will find instruction for a unique warm-up or exercise you can add to your preschool repertoire. Open a coloring page PDF where you can print charming themed coloring sheets the students find amusing and delightful.
This program has been taught for many, many years at many, many schools. Those sugar plum fairies have gone on to dance with renowned companies. It's really neat to look back and see video of a dancer with Ballet Augsburg, Germany, who was originally in her little pink leotard dancing in Baa Baa Ballet.